This is Curtis Armstrong, and this is just a short video that I wanted to record for you to show you how to get started on Slack. Slack is it's a communication tool that we're going to use on the stake level as well as on the ward level. Okay, and whether you saw the link in your email or whether you saw it on Facebook, that link takes you to this page that says join the Slack workspace for the Brigham North State Communication and Events. Okay, this is a communication tool, and ideally what it's going to do is replace text messaging. And there are a lot of great benefits to using Slack over text messaging and things like that. So we're going to slowly transition and adopt to this. Now, the Fifth Sunday lesson is going to be related to, it is going to give you more information about the reasons why the stake has decided to adopt this as a communication tool. Okay. What you need to do first, now if you check your email or if you look on Facebook, if you're on a laptop or a desktop, what you're going to see is this page right here. Now, I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you what it looks like on your phone. Okay, if you access it on your phone, it's going to look a little differently, but the sign up process is the same. That's what you need to understand. The sign up process is the same. So enter in the email address that you want to use. Now, ideally, what I would suggest is you use the same email address that you would use for that you have added to LDS tools. Okay. I already have an account on Slack, so I'm showing you. I'm using an alternate email address to show you what we do. So you click on verify email. Okay, and when you do that, it will send you a confirmation email. Okay, look for this either in your inbox or it might actually show up if it's not in your inbox pretty soon after you sign up for it. Check your junk or spam folder. It should not go there, but if it does, check on that. And you want to confirm your email address. When you confirm your email address, you get new account details, and when you confirm, sorry, when you confirm your, when you confirm your email address, then it gives you the option to create a password. Create a password and to give your name, and I already did this. I already went through and created my password. So we can go to the workspace and we can sign in, and now there's a mobile app for it. There's a mobile app for Slack, and there is even a desktop app for Slack, which means you can download it. You can access it in the web browser. You can download it on your phone, and you can find it here. Now, guys, this is what it looks like, and there's going to be a little bit more explanation. We're going to answer questions on Sunday about this. Over here we have our channels. Okay, it looks similar on the phone, and within the channels we have the stake general. This is Brigham City North Stake, and we have stake random. Random is just kind of fun things. Nothing here on Slack is intended for selling things like a Facebook classified ads would do. Now, I mean, we don't do that. We don't do that in our little ward Facebook group either, and we won't do that here as well. So, what this is really intended for are, oh, I hit the wrong thing. Okay, what this is intended for is to join channels. Now, each channel, it's like a communication channel. Okay, the BC23W, that's Brigham City 23rd Ward. So let's go down to where we see BR3W. Those are the groups that are associated with our ward. So we have BR3W, EQ presidency, so Elders Quorum presidency. We have the general one, general communication. Now this one, the BR3W general one, would be similar to it would be similar to like the announcements that we see in the bulletin every Sunday, okay, or the announcements that are that used to be given over the pulpit. Now we can send announcements out this way, okay. There's one for the primary, and then there's one for random. This is kind of non-work related stuff. So when you get to this page, you'd click on Join Channel. Okay, and now we're part of this channel, and it shows up right here in our list. And we can add the ones that we want to. Okay. Oh no, that I meant to I meant to click on. That's not the one I want. I meant to click on BR3 W general. That's what I meant to click on. Okay. So we have the BR3W general, BR3W random. Now, for most members of the ward, these are going to be the channels to use. There's a channel for the bishopric. There's a channel for ward council, for primary, elders quorum, relief society, young men's, young women. So if I would suggest that if you have a child in young men's or young women's, I would suggest that you join the young men's or the young men's, young women's. Okay, so you can see notifications that are related to them as they're planning their camps and things like that. Information would be sent out on these channels. Okay, so these are just different ways to get. Not different ways. It's all the same way to get information, but they're used for different groups. So I wouldn't subscribe to the channel for the Relief Society, for the Bear River Third Ward Relief Society. I'm not in Relief Society, so I don't need that. So I hope you are understanding what these are going to be used for. Now I've done enough rambling. I'm going to switch over to the mobile phone and show you how that looks on the mobile phone. All right, guys, this Slack. Let's see. Let me pull up the BrighamNorthStake.org. Okay, I got to bring it up right here. Slack.BrighamNorthStake.com. You guys don't need to type this in, not .com, .org. You'll see this in the email. You could just click on it. Okay. When you click on it, it sends you to, if I spell it right, sends you to the page that we were on. It's actually a little different. It just shows up a little differently. Okay. This is where we'd enter in our email address here. And we click on verify email. I've already verified it, so let's see. You can close the window now. Here's what we need to do. We go over to our mail app, our email app, and we get our information here. Okay. All right. This is the wrong email. Let's go to. Again, we get the one that says confirm your email address to get started. You hit the green button that says confirm your email address, and it will send you over to the site. Okay. And all right. you follow these instructions. The instructions that you see on your screen, you can follow those instructions, and then you can sign up for it. So we're back now. We can sign in, and it's loading. It's loading. It takes a second. I'm sure it probably takes a second, but now here's what we do. Okay, it will suggest that you download the Slack app from the App Store or from the Google Play Store, whatever phone you're on. You're going to find the Slack app. So I'm going to head over to the App Store, and I'm going to search for. I'm going to just do a search for the Slack app, and we can download it. It's free. Download it, and it's downloading. And as soon as it finishes downloading, we can open it up, and we can just get logged in with our information. At this point, you should have already created, you should have given them, you should have signed up with your email, confirmed your email address, and then created a password on that. So I'm going to click open. Okay. And it goes through this little, there's a little tutorial here. Okay. You can go through that, click get started, but let's do a sign in. Okay. I'm going to sign in manually. I'm going to type in BCUN. Okay. And it automatically adds the .slack.com. So all we need is BCUN, like this. Click go, and then type in the email address that you've already used to confirm. Okay, type in your password. Okay, and then when that happens, you should see it. It will automatically log you in. You should see it from here on out. You click on the Slack app. This is what it looks like. It's up here in the top left corner. That's what it looks like. You click on it. It should automatically log you in next time. So I won't type in my password again. If you have any questions, here's what we do. Here's what you do. Contact. We'll do a short question and answer on Sunday, and there's going to be more training. There's going to be more follow-up training as well. So hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.